Get up, mama. That's your daily reminder to pour into yourself. 24 hours in a day, mama. You deserve to spend at least 5 minutes on yourself. Sometimes we need that reminder, and that is okay. We get so busy with our day-to-day life and just with who we are naturally. Like just naturally being nurturers, naturally being givers, naturally being lovers. But I just want to come here to remind you to show up for yourself today. You don't have to love anybody any less. You just got to remember to show up for yourself today. Remind yourself of the things that make you smile. Remind yourself of the things that bring you joy. Remind yourself of the goals you want to reach, the aspirations you have, the places you want to go, the people you want to meet, the rooms you want to be in. Remind yourself of that today, because you deserve those things too. You deserve that love from yourself too. Remember to love on yourself just a little bit more today. Pour into you. You got this, baby.